Hi, I am just going to show you how to use this application. We just have to put our login credentials over here and then sign in. After signing in, this particular dashboard will open. So for enlisting the items, we have to go into the master data, and in master data, we have to click on items. On clicking the items menu, this particular window will get opened. So we just have to click on the add row option. In this add row, suppose the item that we are going to create is table. We can put it over here. The item type is a finished good. The description of that particular item can be anything depending upon your uh, depending upon the client's need. Here I'm just going to put it as redwood 4 by 6 dimensions. The unit of the material can be either in feet or in inches. I am just going to select it as inches. The width of that particular product be 4 and the height be 6. Here in the wood type, we can choose what kind of wood is going to be used to create that particular product. It can be Douglas or it can be redwood. I am choosing the redwood one. The receipt of that product can we can choose it as 11th of November only. So and the price be $6 for that particular table, and then we can save it. After saving it, we can see that the item number is coming by default only. After that step, we can add the inventory from here. So we can choose the length by feet. We can edit it over here. The length of that particular item be 2 feet, and the quantity that we have on hand is suppose 10. So we can save it from here. In case we have that item with a different length, so we can add one more row, and that length of that particular table be 4 and the quantity be 15. So we can save it that as well. So by this adding row option, we can save n number of length for that particular product. So after creating this, as you can see in the items menu, the table item has been created with the particular descriptions that you had already provided. So after creating this item list, we can come to the bill of materials now. In the bill of materials, we can create it for a particular product. So here our parent product is table. So I'm just going to select it and then I'm going to create it. So once the table product is created, table bill of material has been created. So we can click on that table option. We just have to single click it. Here we can add the cut list of which material it has been made or which kind of other materials have been used to create that particular product. We can choose it from here. So our parent product is table. The redwood that the child that we have used is of redwood 4 by 4. So I can choose it from over here, and the length you can fill a particular length as per your requirement. So I am putting it here as 6, the quantity being 10, and then we can create it. So here as you can see, the assembled item was of table, the particular the parent item was table, and then under this we used these other products as well to create it. We use these items with these particular specifications. Then for even for in case we are going to use other products as well. So under RW 4 by 4 we can use other product as well. by which it has been made or assembled. So here I am choosing Redwood to RW 2 by 2. So length I am taking as 5 in inches and the quantity I am taking is of 10 again. So I'm creating this. So once like this you can create if in case any other items have been used to create this particular product, so you can add it from here as well. So after creating this you can go into the work order option. So from work order option you can create the product name, on which date you have started creating it, and what is the delivery date. So here the product name is table, started from 11th of November. By default we have set the delivery date for 1 week. You can choose it a prior date as well and a later on date as well. So here I'm going to choose it as 16th of November, and then I'm going to create it. So here you can see the work order number has been created, the work order name has been created, the start date and the delivery date has been mentioned. So you can edit this, and in this edit option you can see what kind of materials have been, what kind of cut list has been used, and you can pull the inventory as well. Thank you.